Hello, welcome to our video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you this amazing earthquake simulator.
Okay, cool.
I made it at home. I got the inspiration from the TV shake table, and it works because of if you look over here, because of this turning motor.
Okay.
It makes this turn, and there's a coin down here. So with the coin, makes it wants it to go outside. But since there's that, it can't just unplug and go somewhere else.
Okay.
So
it's
that when it goes out, and then that pulls it back in. That makes it shake.
Okay, cool.
And
this is how it's done at the top.
And
that's your building?
This is our little building. It's made with marshmallows and toothpicks.
Cool.
And we cut the marshmallows so it would have more structure.
Cool.
Now, time to... And here it goes.
Oh, cool.
And this earthquake building, it means it's kind of okay. It's kind of...
Yeah, the building is shaking, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And that's how it works.
Cool.
Now we have another model. Let's see how it works with these additional marshmallows.
Okay, you're adding weight?
Just the weight.
I see.
We'll see how it works.
Isn't that going to make the building heavier?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's going to try to make the building a bit heavier.
It's leaning on. I think it will fall on the other side. It's already falling.
Okay, so we took off one. It was kind of leaning a bit more on this side, but now it should be a bit weightier. And if you see, it's a bit less shaky as last
I see.
time. Now let's check with this weight again. Let's see.
I think you have to make the structure better before you start it again.
Yeah, I'll just make this a little bit sturdier before we... So we added one weight, and now let's see how it works. Ooh, it's a bit too heavy. So that means 2 weights is a bit too heavy.
Okay, cool.
Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Bye.
Bye.